scared. Skirt through the silence. Something don't feel right tonight. White truck rolling down a dirt road slow. Headlights flicker and the radio glow. Windshield cracked like a broken past. No one speaks but the moment lasts. Paint all clean but it don't stay that way. Red stains show when the light hits gray. Nobody knows where it came from, nah, just a shadow on a back road lost. Engine humming like a heartbeat low. Every mile feel like it won't let go. Rear view mirror don't show much truth, just a blur of a night we lose. White truck in the red moonlight, rolling like a secret through the night. Don't ask questions, don't look back. Some things live in the cracks like that. White truck can't wash it clean, haunted by a memory scene. Keep on driving till it fades from sight, under that cold red moonlight. Red moonlight. Gas station lights flicker on glass. Nobody talks when the truck rolls past. Small town eyes start to stare too long, like they already know something wrong. But the driver don't say a word, just nods once, lets the silence burn. Tires cut through that empty land, like fate written in a shaky hand. Engine tone, miles feel heavier on their own. Every turn feels pre-decided, like something unseen is writing inside it. White truck in the red moonlight, rolling like a secret through the night. Don't ask questions, don't look back. Some things live in the cracks like that. White truck can't wash it clean, haunted by a memory scene. Keep on driving till it fades from sight, under that cold red moonlight. Red moonlight. If you see it passing, don't chase it down. Some stories never touch the ground, yeah. Just let it ride.